Hello everyone, welcome to part 70 of Laravel 10 series, in which we are first creating the e-commerce admin panel, and then we are going to make the e-commerce website. Okay, so we will continue working on the brands module, and in this video we are going to work on the delete brand image and logo functionality. Okay, so the brand image and logo we able to add in the last video. We able to add the brand details, and we able to add this brand image as well as the logo. So we are going to work on the delete functionality for them, same like we have done in the categories as well. Okay, so I'm going to close and we'll start once again. And first of all, I'm going to create the routes for deleting the brand image and logo in the same way like we have deleted the category image. Okay, so I'm going to copy this route, and it will help us to create two more routes. And here I'm going to replace this one, delete brand image as well as the delete brand logo. Okay, so here in brand controller I'm going to create two function, and one is the delete brand image and the another one is the delete brand logo. Okay, so now I'm going to create this delete brand image function inside brand controller, like we have created the inside the category controller as well. Okay, so here we have already created the delete category image. So here I'm going to copy this one and will paste here to save the time. And here just I require to replace the category with the brand. Okay, so here just we are going to replace this one like this, and also we are going to replace this category with the brand. Okay, so see, it saves load of our time. Okay, like this. So here as well we are going to make it brands table, brands folder. Okay, so here you can see, check verify your code once. Okay, get brand image. Okay, we able to get, then get brand image path. Yes, this is the correct path. Front image is brands. After that, delete brand image from brands folder if exists. So first of all we are going to check with the file exists that this brand exists and exists in this path with this brand image. Okay, we check in this folder, yes it exists, and if it exists then the another php function that we are going to use unlink to delete this brand image from this path from this folder. Okay, so after deleting the brand image from the brands folder, we are going to delete the brand image from the brands table as well. Okay, that we are deleting, we are just updating the brands table. No, this one is incorrect. Okay, so I think we are required to, no, it's fine. I'm going to check the brands table, only the image is required to delete. Yes, only the image is required to delete. Okay, and in the same way only the brand logo. So we need to make it empty. Like if I want to delete this one, so no need to remove the row like we used to do in the product images. Here just we are required to make this one empty. Okay, brand image and brand logo as well. If you want to delete the brand logo, and you are just required to make this empty, so we are going to just update the products, that brands table. We are required to update the brands table, just required to update the column with the empty one. Okay, so same thing we are doing here. We are just making the brand image column empty. So we are going to try first deleting the brand image. Let's see. We must have that check. I'm going to open that add edit brand, and will make sure that the common delete function will work for this brand image. And here I'm going to check this one, confirm delete, fine. And in record brand image, fine. Brand id, okay, it seems to be fine. So I'm going to click on this one and see sweet alert works that we have integrated in the beginning of the series. First I will click on cancel, like if suppose admin or client click on this delete icon by mistake. Okay, so he can click on cancel, but if he is sure about deleting this image, brand image, then he will click on yes, delete it. So the brand image gets deleted. Here you can see the image is gone away, and I'm going to check now in the brands folder as well, and I can see the image is gone away. So see, we have added so many images, so that's why it appears here, but it's actually gone. Okay, it actually gone away. We are going to test it again, don't worry. But right now we are going to check in the table as well that this image you can see is gone away. Brand image is no more. Okay, so like in the same way we are going to test brand logo as well, but first of all we are going to create the delete brand logo function as well in the similar way. Like we have created the delete brand image, here we are going to make the delete brand logo. Okay, so here like we are deleting the image. Now we are going to delete get brand logo. First of all we are going to get the brand logo like this, and here instead of brand image I'm going to make it like the brand logo. Okay, brand logo. Okay, so brand image path, and here I'm going to make it like brand image, and here brand logo I'm going to make it brand logo, and here everything seems to be fine. Delete brand image from brand logo path, brand logo, and here find brand logo, then brand logo. Okay, so it seems to be fine. Here also we will make it brand logo path. Okay, so now we are going to check brand logo here as well. Okay, so let's see. I am going to check for this one now. We'll click on brand logo, and here first cancel, it's working fine, and now yes, delete it. Okay, so see, some issue has come up. I'm going to check what issue exactly. Front image is brand operation not permitted, and here I'm going to check the code now. I think somewhere I think delete brand logo here we must use the delete brand logo. It is fine. Delete brand logo here, it is also fine. Okay, and I'm going to check in the add edit form. Here it must be brand logo. This one is the issue. Brand logo must come here. Okay, now it's fine. Now I go back and we'll try again to delete this brand logo. I will click on this one, yes, delete it, and this time we are able to delete the brand logo as well. Okay, so what I am going to do, I am going to remove everything from the folder, so that now it will give more clarity. I am going to upload the brand image. This is the brand image. I am going to upload the brand logo as well. This is the brand logo. Okay, so I am going to do it, submit, and we'll see like if we have added for fill up brand image and logo. Yes, we have added only two images are here. Now it's fine. Now first I'm going to remove this logo. Yes, delete it. So the logo must have been removed. Yes, it has been removed from here as well as from the table. You can see the brand logo is removed and brand image. Now I'm going to remove the brand image as well. Okay, so let's remove the brand image. Yes, delete it, and here the brand image has been removed, and in the folder as well it has been removed, and in the table as well it has been removed. Okay, so both are working fine. So we able to remove the brand image as well as logo both from the folder as well as from the brands table. So in the next video we will work on roles and permission. I think roles and permission is the only thing that is pending in the brands module. Okay, so we are going to work on roles and permission. After that we will also show these brands in the products. Okay, so we are required to show these brands in the add edit product, so that every product belongs to some brand. So that's why we are creating this brand module. Okay, so in next video we are going to work on brands, roles and permissions. So stay tuned for the next video. That's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.